video I will be showing you how to make a crochet flower for whatever project you might need it. In my case, I am making a Miffy keychain and I needed a flower to embellish. This is the flower that I chose to do. For this project, you will need yarn in 2 different colors. I choose pink and red. Obviously, you will need some scissors to cut, a hook for your work. That pretty much is it. I will start with the magical loop. Now I need to make 12 double crochet stitches. So I will do yarn over, go into the loop, pull the thread out, then go first time through 2 loops, and then second time through 2 loops, and I have a double crochet stitch. We'll do it again. Yarn over, into the loop, pull the stitch out, once through 2 loops, twice through 2 loops, and I have 2 double crochet stitches. I'm going to do a third one. Yarn over, into the loop, pull the yarn out, go through 2 stitches once, go through 2 stitches twice, and now I have 3 double crochet stitches. Fourth, yarn over, into the loop, pull yarn out, go once through 2 stitches, and go twice through 2 loops. I need to have 12 of these and I have 4, so I will continue to do the rest of them and I will meet you when I have 12. Now I have all 12 double crochet stitches on my magic loop. Now I'm going to pull on this tail to close the loop. Now I need to close the circle with the slip stitch. Now we'll go at the beginning of the chain, and this is when I will introduce the second color, which is pink for me. Now we'll pull pink slip stitch through both. Now I can cut the red yarn off. I will do chain of 4 stitches. Next step, I will be doing 3 treble crochet stitches. So I will do 2 yarn overs. 1, 2, and I will go into the next stitch on the flower and we'll pull once, now through 2 stitches twice, through another 2 stitches third time, and I will have 2 loops left on the hook. I will repeat this 2 more times, and into the same stitch on the flower I will connect it. So 2 loops, 2 yarn overs, 1, 2, into the same stitch it goes. I will pull the yarn out and I will go through 2 loops once, then through another 2 loops again, and I will have 3 stitches left on the hook, 2 yarn overs again, the third connection into the same stitch, pull the yarn out, go through 2 loops once, second time through 2 other loops, and now I have 4 stitches on the hook, and I will go through all of them at once to finish this, like so. I'm going to crochet chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will connect this via slip stitch into the next stitch on the flower, and you can see where it will go. And here you go, you have your first flower petal. I will do this again. Chain of 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 yarn overs, 1, 2, and into the next stitch it goes. Into the same, and now go through all the 4 at the same time and making chain of 4 again. And it goes into the next stitch as a slip stitch. And we have 2 petals. I will do a third one with you, and then I will finish the rest on my own. So chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 yarns over, once, twice. Into the next stitch it goes. Pull the yarn through. Now through 2 loops, 1, 2. Second time through 2 loops again, and you will be left with 2 stitches on the hook, 2 yarn overs again. Into the same hole it goes, pulling it out. Now once through 2 loops, once, second time through 2 loops. Now you have 3 stitches on the hook, 2 yarn overs, and into the same hole goes again. Pull the yarn through. Now through 2 loops once, through other 2 loops once again. You have 4 stitches on the hook, and we're going to go through all of them at once. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect it via slip stitch into the next stitch on the flower, which is right here. And we have 3 petals now. I will continue do the rest and I'll meet you at the end. I finished the 6th petal almost. I have chain of 4 stitches, and I will connect it into the very first loop or stitch from which we started making our petals via slip stitch. and the flower is complete, I'm going to secure all the endings and hide them, and I will meet you back. And here is the flower. You can also iron it some to flatten it out a little bit, and it's ready to be put on whatever it is that you need it for. You can also embellish it in the middle with a rhinestone, a pearl, or just leave it as is. It's up to you. Thank you for watching.